So why don't people hit their full potential in real estate? You know, my mentor, I mention him all the time, sales hero to me, Floyd Wickman. He had great words of wisdom. He said, frustration comes from knowing where you want to be and not knowing how to get there. That is very frustrating. Frustration comes from knowing where you want to be and not knowing how to get there. So I want you to think about what's holding you back. So I'll tell you what was holding me back. You know, I failed for 5 years in real estate once, my first 5 years, thank goodness. And what was holding me back wasn't even my fault. I was willing to do what anybody told me to do, and I did. And the industry and my company and all the realtors who surrounded me, who are well-meaning, helpful people, were telling me to do the exact opposite of what I'm going to tell you to do. I will coach you to do the opposite of what everybody around you in the industry is teaching you to do. And for that reason, Fearless Agent coaching students make so much more money. So I was not lazy. I was willing to work every day, any amount of hours. I would have done anything to be successful, but I failed miserably in real estate. And I have a lot of people that coach with me that when we first started, they told me that exact same story. So if you think about the real estate industry, it has this massive failure rate. Thank goodness the airline industry doesn't have that massive failure rate among their pilots. Aren't we happy about that? So they have great training in the piloting industry, and we have horrible training in the real estate industry. Well, I'm here to fix that. You can go to fearlessagentpodcast.com and subscribe to our podcast. You'll hear a bunch of stupid jokes, but you'll get some good training. You can go to fearlessagent.tv, where you are now. Hit the subscribe button, subscribe to our videos. You can go to fearlessagent.com, watch all the videos on our website. There's our free webinar there, watch that. And that'll give you a pretty good idea if what we do would be a good fit for you. And you can call me anytime, 480-385-8810. Always happy to talk to you. Do a complimentary coaching call. I will not sell you on coaching. You will either decide whether it's a good fit for you or not. If it's not, I'm still happy to help you in a lot of other ways like I just mentioned. But let's see if we can turn you into a fearless agent. Thanks.